Hey everybody, Photoman here with another video. Fort Calgary, also known as Fort Brisbois, the Elbow, and Beaufort. National Historic Site of Canada is a square-shaped wooden fort situated on the west bank of the Elbow River at its junction with the Bow River. Located on the same site as the original fort, the present structure is a reconstruction on a 40-acre park in Calgary. Established in 1875 as Fort Brisbois by the Northwest Mounted Police, also known as NWMP, the fort included men's quarters, a guardroom, stables, and storage facilities surrounded by a palisade of vertical logs. Fort Calgary was designated a National Historic Site of Canada in 1925 because it is the site of the arrival, in August of 1875, of F Troop of the Northwest Mounted Police, and the establishment of their post within the limits of the present-day city of Calgary. Fort Calgary served as a base for the NWMP forces. They were assigned the task of enforcing federal law in the district and suppressing the traffic of whiskey along the Bow River. Following the arrival of the NWMP contingent in April 1875, a strategic site overlooking the rivers was selected. Construction began in late summer, and the fort was completed within approximately 6 weeks. The fort's outer walls were constructed of 3.5-meter pine logs, floated upstream, and set in trenches 1 meter deep.